all the calls that are being forwarded or being diverted. Now, you see, one thing that has drawn to our notice is that people call that their WhatsApp has been hacked. And it's not as a result that they gave out their PIN code or their code to people. No, they didn't give out their code to anyone, but they were able to hack their WhatsApp. So what we got realized that after the investigation, realized that what they do is that they do the voicemail, right? So they're able to intercept into your voicemail, then they get it. Now, so let's get some of the code here. To check if your calls have been diverted or being forwarded, you have *62#, we have *002#, we have *21#, right? So yes, so we have the code here. You can see it here very clearly. Now, so you have *62#, *002#, *21#. All these code is to check that if your calls are being forwarded or being is going somewhere. Now, to block it, we always sit at the defense side. Okay. To block it is #62#. So let this code be part of your diary and always just dial it. *#62#, #002#, #21# to really check it, right? Now, when you are using an Android phone, especially this one it works best for Samsung users, right? Now, so if you're a Samsung user, come closer, let's do this. Now, so I'm going to show you something this morning that will bust your mind. You see, there may be some apps, they are hidden apps on your device that you don't know where they are. So Samsung user, let's go here. Let's dial this code, *#4636###. It is here.
Okay.
Yes. So what you think? So you have *#4636##. For Samsung users, right? It works best for Samsung users. The MediaTek, when I'm talking about the MediaTek, you're talking about the rest of the other Android devices.
MediaTek.
Well, if it works for you, fine. If it doesn't work for you, it works best for Samsung phones. So you have *#4636##. I see you dropping your phone. That means it's not working for you.
Oh, no, it is. I didn't try this one. I realized all my calls are not being forwarded.
Exactly.
So for mine, I'm good.
So here, when you go here, what you do is that you go to user statistics, right? Then you go to apps. There you're going to see all the apps on your device that may be doing something on your phone that you don't know, you have no idea about. Let me talk about these codes, right? These codes are for management, right? So many times the people say that, oh, I've been hacked. Why? Because my credit is moving so fast. I've been hacked, DK. I buy data, then it goes fast. I buy data. So sometimes in negligence, people have done things that they don't know about. Okay. You have subscribed to some platform, you have subscribed to some service that you don't know. So if you're using MTN, right? If you're using MTN, your code to use is *175#. If you're using MTN, you're going to use this code *175#. Then you go to option 1, subscription. Then click on the subscription. Check all the subscriptions on your device. If there's a subscription that is taking your data, your credit, that you don't want it, just unsubscribe to it. Now, to my Telecel or former Vodafone, what we say here is that *463#. There also you go to the option 1, my subscription, and then you take all subscription off from there. Then you go to our AT people, Airtel Tigo is *100#. Those you take